Hey, if your playback feature isn't working on the Hik-Connect app, don't worry, this video will walk you through the exact steps to fix it fast. So first, open the Hik-Connect app, go to Device Settings, and ensure the camera is actually set to record. If motion detection or schedule recording is off, nothing will show up in Playback. On the Playback screen, double-check that you selected the correct time frame. Choose Custom and scroll carefully through the timeline. If you recently added the device, go into the user permissions and make sure remote playback is enabled for your accounts. Sometimes a simple reboot of your Hikvision, NVR or DVR fixes sync or recording issues. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can also prevent clips from loading. Try switching to mobile data or another network. Head to the App Store or Google Play and make sure your Hik-Connect app is fully updated. Older versions often cause bugs like failed playback. And that's how to fix your playback not working in Hik-Connect. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more tech fix tutorial. And of course, thanks for watching.